Hello everyone. Here is a demonstration of our remote control software, while we are now controlling multiple computers at the same time. Here we have 2 computers now. Of course, you can control as many computers as you want. We now select the first computer. Then enter the remote password. This remote password is convenient for each company to set different passwords for each computer. Then we are now in remote controlling mode. There are 3 buttons here. The first one is whether to fix the hanging bar. The second is to control remote mouse and keyboard. Then we can now control the mouse and keyboard of the host. We can create a file on the computer of the host, for example. Then open it. We can add characters to it by controlling the keyboard. Then click Save. So now this file can be seen on the host computer. Then we try to control the second computer. Control the second computer, double-click and then remote login. OK. Here is the second computer. Let's have some try. That's how we can operate a mouse and keyboard to complete a series of operations through the remote control. The above is my introduction to our remote control. Thank you for watching.